Hi guys, I'm here with my two little babies, Asher
Hola!
and Ariella.
Hi!
And we're here to talk about coronavirus and something that we tied in yesterday, talking about the lungs, a little very important device that I think all of you should have at home. It's called a pulse oximeter. My assistant Ariella, you want to show them what a pulse oximeter looks like? That's a pulse oximeter. We can zoom it in. It's a little simple device. I'll tell you at the end of this what it does and where to get it. But this tests the oxygen in your blood. So if you're feeling short of breath, Asher, you want to show what shortness of breath looks like? Difficulty breathing? Yeah. You put this little pulse oximeter, and my assistant will put it on the finger of... Very good. Boom. And why don't you put that in front of the camera so people can see what it shows. It will come out with a number.
Hi!
Oh, so you should see there a number like 94% under the SpO2, which stands for saturation of oxygen. So my son has a saturation of oxygen of 96%. That's pretty good. Anything over 90% is great. Anything under 90% is not so good. So if you feel short of breath, you should use this device to really assess how much oxygen is in your blood. What is this device called? Pulse oximeter. You can go to Amazon, pick it up, and it costs about $15. Keep it at home. It's good to have. See you later.
Bye!